So this second part of the video of putting on the graphics on the Daytona 660, it's a bit shorter than the first one. The reason why I went through showing you putting a lot of the stickers on and stuff is just to give you an impression of kind of what work was involved. What I've tried to do on this second video is cut that down a fair bit and shorten the sequences a bit. But it was just to give you an idea that you're not just like throwing them on. It takes a bit of getting used to, but you got lots of opportunities to correct yourself if you put them on wrong. I think that's a particular good feature of these stickers, and that they're so thick it allows you to do that. So yeah, enjoy this second bit and just whiz forward and right to the end if you want to see what the final bit looks like. Cheers, thanks for watching. So this morning I didn't like the way this one was lining up, especially with the kind of 660 here, but I peeled it completely off. Bit of heat, peeled the entire sticker off and relaid it again. I was a bit worried I was going to ruin it because it had so much heat and rested overnight, but it came off okay. If you do balls up a particular sticker, you can order an individual sticker from the manufacturer, which is great. Luckily enough, I don't need to do that just yet. So I've put a little bit more on here, one down here on the heat shield and just on the mudguard here. So I'm just trying to work out, I've got one of these, one of these, one of these. Not sure where they go yet, somewhere at the back I'm sure, and not sure what that is. We'll see. So on this rear section, there's a cutout there that disappears if you've got the handles on. So whether you're using the handles or not, it doesn't cover that little gap. So that's perfect. So whether you have handles or not, you can use the stickers on this back piece. With this in place, I found it easier, I think, to take this off, and I'll apply the stickers while this is off. It takes 2 minutes to take that off. A little bit of a complex design here, so I'm gonna do this edge first, leave the paper on this, have the cut there. Then once I get this piece on, I'll wrap this piece down. No, immediately off. I just want to tap down a tiny edge on it first. I'm starting off wrong. No, I can see I'm starting off wrong. Off again. Let's try and line this edge up. This top edge. Right, I'm lucky it's black on black, really, where it matters. So handy in that respect. That went on nicely. That went on very nicely. This next bit might be a bit more tricky. Let's peel the paper off. Now you can see there, I can get these to join here, and I've got a little blank mark left there. I'm not overly concerned about that. This is going to kind of be hidden away a bit, and even if it wasn't, it just looks like it's part of the design. That's a bit kinked there. Yeah. I've got to bring that back up. this edge didn't go over properly. It got too constrained by what I'd done. Yeah, that's good, that's good. Let's see what we can do with this bit now. Okay, I'm going for a consistent black line gap there, or as consistent as I can make it. Yeah, I like that. I don't mind that at all. I don't mind that at all. A bit more heat. I thought that was going to be a lot harder. That wasn't too bad at all. This really is a great kit. This black, well, this will be black on any of the models actually. So this black on this works well. You can make minor mistakes and they won't show up. Cool. So I have another bit for here, which is gonna be quite hidden. It's gonna be underneath. You're barely gonna see this, maybe from the back. These joins aren't exactly together, but it doesn't matter. Black on black, you don't know. That's that piece done. I can go back on the tail. I'm going to do the left-hand side while I'm dismantling, while the seats and stuff like that are off. I couldn't figure out where this piece went. Eventually, here. So this is a good piece to put on last, so you can match it with the big sticker. So matching this yellow down here and this line here. So yeah, should be easy enough. Frame slide is in the way, but we'll get by without it. So it's mainly on this top piece and a bit just curves down here. So cool, cool, cool. I could have done with going a bit further up to make it easier. It was just going over these edges slightly, but it was worth putting it down like that to get these lines to line up. So a bit of heat, and I just wrapped that last millimetre or so around the side of the plastic. So I'm happy with that. Very happy with that. That's actually the side of the bike completed. I've got the left-hand side to do and the nose piece. I'll concentrate on this side first and just peel half of it. Let's see. This is front and center, so it's got to be right. It's got to be right. No. I didn't like the way that was going. This is fairly contoured. This is one of the trickier ones. Yeah. I don't like that. More heat. Just making sure you don't allow any major creases to develop. All right, I'm kind of happy with that. It's just coming a bit difficult to get this edge under this mirror mount, and it's going to distort it. So I'll just take this mirror off for a minute. I didn't think I'd need to. Well, I made a bit of a meal of it, but it actually wasn't hard. It wasn't hard. Good. Right, the finished article. What do we think? I think it's looking pretty classy, eh? the SKDA Motor Graphics kit. What do you think? Did I choose the right colour? Do you think it's worth it? Do you think it looks good? Let us know.